Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be unboxing Emma Frost from X-Men. So excited. She's actually a very cool one because she's the Comic Fest Halloween exclusive from last year. Really awesome. I ended up getting her this year at Free Comic Book Day. I just bought her. I was like, I gotta get her. She is going to be a PX Preview exclusive as well, which makes her really, really awesome. So she's just, you know, a big exclusive pop. So excited. Let me show you the back of her box really quick. I'm actually not a really big Emma Frost fan, to be honest. But when I saw this pop, I was like, man, I just have to get her. And I have all of these on the back. I have this Cable. I have Psylocke, who's one of my very favorite X-Men ever. I've got Archangel, who I love too. Sabretooth, Storm with the Mohawk, and then I also have Quicksilver. So I have this entire line on the back. I even think Kitty Pryde was an exclusive for this one, which I have as well. She was a GameStop exclusive. So I have Kitty Pryde, and then I have her too, who are not featured on the back of this box. So that's really awesome. I was on vacation recently in Las Vegas, and so I did some filming of videos. So actually, I will not be unboxing this here at my table like I do with most of my pops. I will be unboxing this in Vegas. So let's go to Vegas to unbox this pop together, shall we? Okay guys, here she is out of her box, my Emma Frost exclusive. She just looks so cool. I remember finding her at a comic book store that I go to, and I got her and Ghost Rider, and they're both exclusive, and I just like snagged them up as soon as I could, just because they look so amazing. But yeah, I mean, just look at how like beautiful she is. Totally gorgeous. I'm actually out here in Las Vegas for a few days for vacation, and I just decided to take a few Funko Pops with me while I was here. Most of them ended up being Marvel Pops for whatever reason, but I just thought, like, I'll just take some of these with me. I knew I wouldn't get much time to film, but I'm glad for the time that I did get. It's about 4 a.m. right now. So yeah, I just, like, basically came out here and just do a little filming, and I'm glad I did because it's really dead. There's nobody really around, so yeah, she looks super cool. Let me show you her to the side. Yeah, Emma's not even really one of my favorite characters, but I saw this pop and I was like, I have to get this pop. So yeah, I'm glad I really did. She looks amazing. And then to the back. She was about $13, I think, altogether. I think she was about $13 at the comic book store that I got her from. So again, around the same price as a regular pop. And the fact that she was an exclusive and she looks as cool as she does was really cool to get that price for it. And once again, we'll go back to the front. But yeah, she just looks really fun. She doesn't look translucent at all, but she definitely has like a totally kind of crystallized look to her, which I really like. And there's also like diamonds, like sort of little sparkles and glitter in her, but not too much, which is why I think she looks absolutely great. So yeah, but yeah, I'm basically out here in Vegas right now. I'm gonna kind of enjoy walking around a little bit. I'm still in the Stratosphere Hotel, just having a good time. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Once again, thank you so much for all of your likes, your comments, subscribes, for sharing. And yeah, please follow me on Instagram under Yin6Funkos. And until next time, guys, I will see you. Have a fantastic day.